What's up, guys? Welcome back to the nursing channel. This is Nurse Sam, and right now I'm gonna talk to you guys about how to make the most money as a nurse case manager, as an RN case manager, okay? Or LVN case manager. And this is how you do it. I've already talked to you guys in the previous video that you should need to get your case management certifications, okay? Because that will allow you to negotiate for a higher pay rate. It also makes you a lot more marketable. Now, the other way, on top of that, what you need to do is sign up with a traveling agency and become a traveling nurse case manager. This is how you're gonna make the most money doing your job right now, okay? So what I recommend is, if you're ready to do this, start looking up various staffing agencies for nurse case managers and talk to them about how much they pay, okay? The way you're gonna make most of your money as a nurse case manager is through these staffing agencies. There's so many staffing agencies out there, and they pay pay differently. So you want to talk to as many staffing agencies as you can and see which one will pay you the most, which one will give you the most bang for your buck, okay? The way these staffing agencies work is they'll usually pay you a low hourly rate. So you can potentially expect to get paid anywhere from like $15 to $20 an hour. I know it sounds like a little bit, but that's not all they pay. That's not all that they give you. They give you a housing stipend, okay? And that housing stipend can be anywhere from $5,000 to whoever knows how much. $5,000 that they'll give you a month towards housing, okay? So just think about, just in housing, there's 12 months in a year. 5,000, like a minimum of $5,000 a month, that's $60,000 that you're making per year just in housing, okay? Somebody was riding their bike, so I just was looking to see who that was. But anyways, that's already just $60,000 in housing. Not only that, but they'll also give you a weekly allowance, and that weekly allowance can be anywhere from, like, depending on which agency you go with, staffing agency that you go with, but it can be anywhere from like $1,500. I think the average is like $2,000 and higher, okay? So just think about $2,000. So just think about that, $2,000 per week just in allowance, okay? And they'll give you this check, and you can do whatever you want with this check. $2,000 or more, it could be more, plus your $5,000 a month for just housing. Not only that, but on top of that, you're getting your hourly wages. So think about how much money you're making as a traveling nurse case manager. You can make easily anywhere from like $200,000, and the ceiling is the sky is the limit, okay? So there's a lot of nurse case managers that do this, that travel, and they get paid easily anywhere from $200,000 and higher, and these people are living very well. I mean, money is not an issue for these people. And so, like I said, I just want to empower you guys with this information. I want to allow you guys to be able to make the best decisions for your guys' personal lives. And if you have the flexibility to travel, I highly recommend it. Do it. It's a great experience, because not only do you get to experience other places, visit different states, you get to make friends in other areas. It allows you to broaden your horizon and your understanding of the way other people live in other states. And yeah, you get to just experience different lifestyles. It's a great experience. So yeah, I highly recommend it. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. I'll catch you guys on the next one.